Eggs for $2 over at Walmart, and people were shell shocked. Did you guys see this in your area? Eggs for $2? Seriously, guys, is Walmart just giving up at this point? We definitely know that Walmart is set to close what they call underperforming locations, probably places where shoplifting has gone rampant. But just recently, thieves took $10,000 in Nintendo Switch consoles from Walmart in the town of South Windsor, Connecticut. Yeah, guys, $10,000 just from a single operation. This may be connected to what people are not talking that much about: Walmart's move to the Metaverse. In 2022, Walmart started building its presence in the Metaverse worlds. The company recently announced that Walmart Land, a new digital world in the Roblox Metaverse. It also launched Walmart Universe of Play. So that's probably why some tech investors are calling Walmart stock a screaming buy. But I don't know, I'm not 100% sold on that yet, guys. I got some intel from some retail insiders, and they're telling me that the negotiations will likely be difficult as some of Walmart's biggest suppliers, including Nestle, Coca-Cola, Procter & Gamble, and Unilever, they're planning to pass on some more price increases to Walmart customers. Put all this together, Walmart may need more than $2 eggs to make their consumers keep coming back. You know what I mean? Plus, I heard that Instacart is moving into some new online retail territory that used to be just Amazon and Walmart space. Some really stiff competition right there for Walmart. A quick survey for you guys. Where do you guys do your grocery shopping normally? Are you ordering them online now, or do you prefer to go into the physical stores? Just drop a quick comment down below. Also, if you own a home, make sure your home is protected. Get your free home warranty quote. There's a link in the description down below of this video. Well, did you hear about that one incident that happened in a Walmart parking lot in broad daylight? Well, apparently there's this video that's going around where a man approached a woman in the parking lot with a full shopping cart of food and asked for something. They couldn't quite make out what it was, but it seemed like he was asking for something. Now, whether it was money or maybe food, I don't know. Maybe it was something else. Yeah, they really didn't know. Considering the desperate situation that everybody's in, I would assume it's probably money or food, especially with prices doubling or even tripling through the roof. And then you've got SNAP and EBT benefits about to get cut next month. So yeah, people are struggling and are stressed and are panicking, just trying to find some way to survive somehow. Long story short though, there was a little bit of an altercation between the two that ended in a woman pulling out mace or pepper spray to essentially fend off this person and then ran back into the store. Then security and the police got involved. It was crazy. Some female friends of mine, they tell me that they don't buy more than 1 or 2 bags worth of items at one time from any store. Yeah, it's definitely good to be aware of all of your surroundings at all times. Always keep yourself safe. Sometimes it's just not worth it to go through the harm over your groceries or your wallet. You know what I'm saying? But hey, that's just me. But to each his own. But really, it's a really unfortunate situation. This is the sinking reality that we're living in right now. There's no one coming to help us. How many videos do we see things happening and no one steps in to help? Let me know you guys' thoughts. Now, another Walmart headline that I found recently, one Walmart selling eggs for $2 and people could not believe it. Just recently, a news outlet in Lexington, Kentucky shared a photo on Facebook of a Walmart egg display showing 18-count cartons of eggs on sale for the low price of $2. Spotted at Walmart Harrodsburg. That's what the caption read in the post. Although the image was first posted on the Harrodsburg, Kentucky Walmart's own Facebook page, WLex's post received over 1,000 comments in a little over 24 hours, with most people just plain stumped. One comment read, "Does it include eggs, or is it just the cardboard?" Someone from California commented, quote, "Here the 18 eggs are $11. Wow. Yeah, that's what somebody said in California. Now, a lot of people said that the eggs were probably about to expire, but an employee at the Walmart store replied back saying, "All new dates, we got pallets of them, come get your eggs." Now, imagine reaching a point in history where $2 eggs are making such a big wave on the internet, right? That means that prices are really out of control. Yeah, definitely can't make this stuff up, guys. And who can you really blame for hyping this up? With inflation, supply chain challenges, and the deadliest avian flu outbreak in history, egg prices have gone nowhere but up. There have also been accusations of price gouging in the egg industry, most notably from Farm Action, an NGO for farmers that protects them from large corporations and monopolies. Now, before you book your tickets to Central Kentucky so that you can make all the quiches and omelets that your heart desires, we can confirm that this particular deal was very short-lived, more of the exception than the rule. In fact, the very same Walmart in Harrodsburg now lists a carton of 18 great value large eggs for $4.56, at least according to the store's website. But hey, still a pretty good deal, I guess. Now, Walmart wasted no time capitalizing on this good press. They said in a recent statement, quote, "We're committed to providing the best prices so our customers can save money and live better. What happened involving the shipment of eggs, to the Harrodsburg store demonstrates our ability to take advantage of these unique opportunities and quickly pass on those savings, end quote. Anybody looking to invest in Walmart stock? Now, fortunately, according to recent reports, wholesale egg prices are starting to fall from record highs. So hopefully we can all feel a little bit of relief at the grocery store soon. But really, with America's economy mainly being fueled by consumers, I don't know how long we can keep this thing going. I mean, just how strong is the American consumer anyway, right? Check this out.
Retail taking up the earnings mantle next week with Walmart, Home Depot, TJX among the names set to report. The stock's underperforming the broader market so far this year, but what can they say about the state of the consumer to turn things around? Grasso, a lot of these, especially Walmart and Target, they've been, dragged down by inventory issues. We see the trade down happening amongst consumers and households. What do you think is going to happen here?
I think a lot of this is at the end of the year when we look at the CPI specifically. A lot of this was these retail sector or the entire sector clearing out their shelves and discounting to a certain extent. Walmart specifically, 56% of Walmart's revenues come from groceries. So there's a lot of noise around that number, Melissa, because of food inflation. I think food inflation will slowly start coming down, and I think that's going to be impactful to revenue for Walmart. Having said that, Home Depot has underperformed Lowe's, and the professional contractor is a big part, 40% or 45% of the revenues for Home Depot. So I think that the contractors still have a backlog of business that's going to push that forward. So I think Home Depot is going to be catching up and maybe outperforming Lowe's. But Walmart, for me, is a little too cloudy, and the overall consumer probably a little strapped at this point and still looking for bargains.
Already, a lot of Walmart locations have reported high cases of theft and shutting down because they're what corporate calls underperforming. But what these big box stores do is they go to a location, essentially close down all competing stores and small businesses that can't keep up with their scale of operation, and then they just kind of up and leave the area high and dry. Now, in all honesty, they're not actually shutting down small businesses, but if another business is a competitor to Walmart and they can't keep up, well, it's just basic economics. Now, I know some people who have not been to a Walmart in 10 years because they're not really fond of how they affected small businesses. What's going on today is no change in corporate behavior. For example, right here, Walmart has confirmed it will be shutting down 7 stores over profitability concerns after a thorough review process. Walmart confirmed the closure of 5 locations across 3 states. Among those was a store in Albuquerque, New Mexico that was described as underperforming in a press statement from Walmart. Other impacted locations included a store in Milwaukee, Wisconsin, and 3 in the Chicago area. Now, apparently, these stores, they haven't been meeting financial expectations. I'll leave a list of the Walmart closures that have been confirmed this year in the description of this video down below. Now, according to the Walmart spokesperson, this decision was not made lightly and was reached only after a thorough review process. We have nearly 5,000 stores across the United States, and unfortunately, some do not meet our financial expectations. While our underlying business is strong, these specific stores haven't performed as well as we had hoped, end quote. Now, as far as future location closures, Walmart hasn't quite shown their hand yet, but we do know that CEO Doug McMillon himself warned that Walmart could close stores and raise prices due to historically high rates of theft at stores. But here's some insider information. It may just be Walmart's plan to move everything to the Metaverse. Yeah, that's right, guys. This is coming from Wall Street investors. We may be surprised, but Walmart is actually an early adopter when it comes to using blockchain technology for business. In December 2021, Walmart jumped on the buzz and excitement around the Metaverse by announcing a number of different trademark applications for virtual products and digital assets for the Metaverse. Then, come 2022, Walmart started building its own presence in the Metaverse. So, for example, September 2022, the company announced Walmart Land, a new digital world in the Roblox metaverse. It also launched Walmart Universe of Play. Walmart's embrace of metaverse is part of a growing recognition that retail's future will involve digital goods within digital worlds, not just physical goods in the real world. So if you're a long-term investor, there's a seriously exciting development case here because it does show that Walmart could be on the cusp of developing an entirely new income stream based on digital goods. Instead of buying clothing or household items only for yourself, you will soon be able to be buying these same things for your online avatar as well. But beyond that, Walmart has been filing a number of different patents for non-fungible tokens or NFTs, potentially leading to the creation of online marketplaces for buying and selling what Walmart calls downloadable digital goods. Where Walmart could really make a splash, of course, is if the retailer makes crypto payments a reality for online and in-store shoppers. Now, we've already seen a number of hints that this could be coming very soon. So for example, Walmart attracted a lot of attention for adding Bitcoin ATMs to its retail stores. There were more than 200 Bitcoin ATMs in Walmart stores in 2021, with plans to expand that number to 8,000. Now, according to Walmart executives, crypto will soon become a major payment disruptor, especially in the metaverse. Unsurprisingly, Walmart has filed a number of patents related to crypto payments. Whichever retail giant masters crypto payments first will have a huge strategic advantage, especially when it comes to, getting young, tech-savvy shoppers in the 18 to 34 age demographic through the door. Now imagine standing in line at Walmart and using your phone to pay for your purchase with Bitcoin or whatever coin Walmart decides to make the industry standard. Wow, just wow. But hey, while those tech nerds and billionaire CEOs are living it up in the metaverse, some people are just plain living in their cars. Some people sit in the Walmart parking lot at night. But this gets scary. People steal from the store and go into the cart shelter to stuff in bags. People bang on cars when people are sleeping. Some of those living in their cars stay together to keep safe. Yeah, this is the real reality that we're living in. Not just the metaverse jokes that these people are trying to push down our throats. Even Walmart has not been able to keep prices that low. They're currently going through some pretty tough stuff with their own biggest suppliers, including Nestle, Coca-Cola, Procter & Gamble, and Unilever, which disclosed in recent weeks that they plan to put in more price hikes this year. Just recently, Kit Kat maker Nestle said further price hikes were necessary to offset commodity costs. Only Kraft Heinz and PepsiCo plan to pause further price hikes, but still, their prices are definitely higher compared to a year before. Then there's Instacart competition that's joining Walmart and Amazon in the small business space. The small business offering, which is under development, will use the same Instacart business. It is said that it would display a section of curated items such as office supplies, cleaning products, and snacks. Basically, shoppers want the convenience of quick deliveries, and most companies have found other ways to deliver quickly to homes. But hey, whichever is faster and cheaper, right? But what about you guys? Do you do your grocery shopping online or in person? Let me know which you prefer in the comment section down below. More on this and other interesting investment opportunities on the next one. Make sure you guys are always subscribed and make sure you guys have the notification bell turned on. But for now, I hope you guys caught all of the important information in today's retail and daily news update. Walmart causing all sorts of headlines with parking lot altercations and $2 eggs, then possibly closing down more physical stores and moving to the metaverse. Share the news with your friends, guys. Appreciate you guys watching. Please be kind to one another, and I'll see you on the next video.